Dear students, let's continue with the same question and the remaining transaction of this question. First four transactions we had did. Next transaction is purchase furniture for rupees 6,000 for the proprietor and paid the amount by check. Now here, this furniture is purchased for the proprietor. What it means that it is regarded as drawings because any amount or any thing which is used by the proprietor for his personal use will be recorded as the amount of drawing. So here purchase furniture rupees 6,000 for the proprietor and paid the amount by check. So automatically payment is made by check. So bank account will be credited and drawings account to be debited. Journal entry will be drawings account debit to bank account with the amount of rupees 6,000. Furniture account will not be debited because it is not purchased for the business. If it is purchased for the business, then automatically we will debit the furniture account. As it is purchased for the proprietor, so it will be treated as drawings. So drawings account will be debited and bank account will be credited. Next transaction is provide 9% interest on capital amounting to rupees 2 lakh. Now interest on capital is an expense for the business and it is the income of the proprietor or income of the owner who had invested the amount of capital. Now when this interest is given by the business will treat it as an expense, and when it is credited to the proprietor, automatically it is the income of the proprietor by which the capital of the proprietor will increase. So what we will do, we will calculate 9% of rupees 2 lakh, it amounts to 18,000. Entry will be here, interest on capital account debit to capital account. Interest on capital account is a nominal account as all expenses and losses to be debited here. To capital account, that is the personal account of the proprietor. By this, the capital of the proprietor will increase, so it is credited. Journal entry will be interest on capital account debit to capital account with the amount of interest which we had calculated here. If some duration is given here, say provide 9% interest on capital for 3 months, for 2 months, for 8 months, for 10 months, for 11 months, for any duration is given, then we will calculate for that duration. If no duration is given, then automatically we will calculate for the complete year and we will record accordingly. So journal entry will be interest on capital account debit to capital account. Next transaction is charge interest on drawings rupees 1,000. Now as interest on capital is given by the business on capital, likewise interest on drawings is collected by the business from the proprietor. This way it is the income of the business and the loss of the proprietor. So automatically income accounts, they should be credited, and in order to reduce the amount of capital, we will charge them to the drawings. So charge interest on drawings rupees 1,000 is given. Entry will be drawings account debit. इससे क्या होगा कि हमारे drawings बढ़ गए and income of the business being there. To interest on drawings. See, interest on capital as an expense being debited here. Interest on drawings as an income being credited here. So this way we will record this entry drawings account debit to interest on drawing. इन 1000 से क्या होगा कि ड्राइंग्स बिजनेस के प्रोप्राइटर के इंक्रीज हो गए, मतलब उसकी कैपिटल कम हो गई, और इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स बिजनेस की इनकम है वो क्रेडिट हो गई. सो द एंट्री विल बी ड्राइंग्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स. Likewise, I told you for interest on capital, if some duration or period is given, likewise for interest on drawing, some duration or rate may be given, then you will calculate accordingly. Like charge interest on drawings at the rate of 6% per annum. Nothing is given, you will calculate for the complete year. If it is given that charge interest on drawings at the rate of 9% per annum for 3 months on drawings of rupees 10,000, then you have to calculate the amount of interest on drawings, but the entry will be remain same way, drawings account debit to interest on drawings. So this way we had learned all the special and important transactions relating to the journal entry concept. Dear students, this lesson is very important, but if you not been getting completely, first you must go for the basic That is the theory base of accounting. Understand the concepts. Go through to my videos which I had given you, shared with you earlier, because I had clarified the steps to record the journal entries. I hope all of you are as very intelligent and you all had got all these concepts. So I hope you to practice from the exercise more and more question in order to grasp and understand your knowledge in this subject. Again, I share with you that before doing the numerical, please go for the illustrations, because illustrations will help you, guide you to make up your mind to know how these entities being recorded. Once you grasp those illustrations, then automatically you will switch over to the exercise, practice one by one in your register, keep a complete record, because CBSE nowadays want the complete detail and complete record. With that, what will happen? That you will have the mastery in the subject and you will expert in the subject. Thank you very much for joining the class, watching the video. Have a wonderful day.